Hey everyone, welcome back to SweetAscent. Today, we're taking breakfast to the next level with these super easy, super fluffy pancakes. You don't need fancy ingredients or a ton of time. Just follow along, and you'll be flipping pancakes like a pro. Let's get started. Ingredients, for about 8 pancakes. 1 cup, 120 grams, all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, a pinch of salt, 3/4 cup, 180 milliliters, buttermilk, or DIY. Milk plus 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter. Plus more for the pan, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. 1. Mix the dry ingredients. Grab a medium bowl and whisk together 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. This is your dry mix, aka the magic base for fluffy pancakes. 2. Prep the wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk 3/4 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you don't have buttermilk, no worries. Just add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice to your milk, let it sit for 5 minutes, and you're good to go. 3. Combine wet and dry. Now, pour the wet mix into the dry ingredients. Gently fold it together with a spatula, don't overmix. A few lumps are totally fine. The batter should look thick and fluffy. 4. Heat up the pan. Preheat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Add a tiny pat of butter to grease it, just enough for that golden crust. 5. Cook the pancakes. Scoop about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake onto the pan. Cook for 2-3 minutes until bubbles form on the surface and the edges look set. Flip carefully and cook another 1-2 minutes until golden. Look at that perfection. 6. Stack 'em up and serve. Time to plate these beauties. Stack 'em high and top with whatever you love, classic maple syrup, fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream. Or maybe all 3 if you're feeling fancy. And there you have it. Fluffy, golden pancakes that'll make your mornings a whole lot sweeter. If you give this recipe a try, let me know in the comments or tag me on social media at SweetAscent. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a recipe. Until next time, happy baking!